Hola amigos! Today we're going to look at descriptions in Spanish. So if you want to describe a person, place, or thing, you're going to need to use an adjective. Some examples of adjectives in English are happy, funny, tall, smart, athletic, and yellow. Just any word that describes a noun. So let's take a look at some Spanish adjectives. Alright, we're going to start off with ella es inteligente. She is intelligent. And if we wanted to call a man intelligent, we would say él es inteligente. The adjective doesn't change whether it's a female intelligent person or a male intelligent person if it ends in the letter E. All right. If it ends in the letter A or O, however, you're going to have to change that based on the gender of the person. So, Aquafina es cómica, but Kevin Hart es cómico. Ella es cómica, she is funny. Y él es cómico, he is funny. Let's get another example of the A's and the O's. So, ella es creativa, she is creative. Y él es creativo, he is creative. All right, let's do one more. Ella es atlética, she is athletic. But what if it's a man? He is athletic. How would we say that? Él es atlético. Muy bien. All right. Él es generoso. Let's go the other way now. He is generous. But what if it's a woman? She is generous. Ella es generosa. Muy bien. Alright guys, and then if we are going to describe multiple people, we're going to have to put an S at the end of our adjective. I know we don't do that in English, but in Spanish, we have to put an S at the end of adjectives that describe multiple people at once. So, ellos son amables. They are friendly. Alright guys, and that's all for the, adjectives, editing in real time. That's all for the adjectives work for today, but please check out the vocabulary list on Quizlet, linked in your checklist in the Remastery package, to see words for different professions as well as adjectives. It's another way you can describe somebody by giving their profession. And of course, complete the worksheet and the recording. Gracias. Adios.